Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I think I have 5 different job leads, 2 of which are answering emails from home. One of those is even paying up to $71,000 a year. We do have a mix of non-phone and phone positions. We also have a mix of full-time and part-time positions. So we're going to dive all in. Just know all the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I always ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads that I share, please let me know by giving me that direct feedback. You can give this video a thumbs up like button or leave it down in the comments below. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them, share with all your friends and family, because we all just want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. First up, we have the company Sundance Institute. Now, I'm sharing this one. It just seemed to be exciting because you think of Sundance festivals. I just thought it was a little bit of something different. They have 120 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees with an overall satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support festival agent. Now, they are only operating in certain states. At the very top of this webpage, the states are listed. And this is going to be a temporary position for the festival itself. They're looking for somebody to start Wednesday, December 27th, 2023 through Sunday, January 28th, 2024. So this is only going to be about a month. So this is more of a side hustle, side thing to make a little bit of extra money. But basically, people who are trying to go to this festival, they might have questions about the festival or questions about how they can purchase tickets, or they might have technical issues purchasing tickets online. And so you're going to be that customer support person that is just helping them through all of the issues. You're going to assist with a full range of questions like purchasing festival package, different ticket packages that is being offered, individual tickets. You're going to assist them with all of their technical support, like browsers on their computer, the compatibility, their computer settings. You're going to develop a deep understanding of the public products and services and assist customers and provide accurate information, listening to any customer feedback that they're giving you, identifying patterns or trends, and providing insights up to your teams for product or process improvements. Of course, you've got to document all of these customer interactions, issues, and resolutions into the computer system, logging them in that ticketing system. Now, as far as requirements, someone who's legally authorized to work in the United States with 1 year of relevant experience. You've got to have great communication skills, great organizational skills, and they want somebody who has experience with customer service or call center. Pay is going to be $17.11 an hour. If customer service is not your thing, though, we are moving right on into those responding to email positions. We have 2 of them. First up is the GOAT Group. Now, the GOAT Group has 163 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a fraud investigator. So you're basically going to be tasked with auditing, purchasing, and verifying credit card information as a part of a dedicated group protecting customers from fraud. You're going to review orders on a daily basis in a timely manner, identifying any valid or fraudulent transactions. You'll maintain and exceed review volume expectations, reviewing and analyzing for notifications or escalations to the fraud department for fraudulent transactions. You're going to provide timely and accurate responses to emails and possibly voicemails to ensure customers are getting the best service provided when they're being asked for different verification of transactions. You're going to analyze these transactions and chargebacks, identifying, summarizing, and communicating, reporting any fraud trends as needed, maintaining and creating these fraud rules for processes. So you're going to be exchanging emails back and forth to these customers that have identified fraudulent transactions, and you're going to be getting additional information from them, doing the research and trying to figure out if these transactions are fraud or not. As far as what they're looking for, somebody who's 3 years experience in e-commerce, fraud, or payments environment with 2 years experience in fraud data analytics. They do want somebody who knows SQL and has customer service experience. Above that, strong attention to detail and a self-starter is necessary. Now, pay for this position is $57,100 a year, all the way up to $71,400 a year. Now, if you don't have all that tech experience, but you still want to answer emails from home and still get paid a decent salary, this one might be for you. The company is Underdog Fantasy. Now, they only have 33 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. However, out of those 33 reviews, they do come in very highly rated at a 5.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time customer support associate. Now, customer support does not always have to mean on the phone, and this one is going to be through email. Now, Underdog Fantasy is a website for sports betting and all of that sports gaming betting kind of stuff online. So you're going to be approaching user inquiries with a cool, open-minded approach, making sure any of their concerns are being fully addressed. You'll gather information from the users in order to efficiently research and reach solutions by cross-collaborating with teams of different departments, creating a last impression on every user through open and honest communication. You'll assist with things like account and payment reviews to order and ensure that the appropriate person using Underdog was intended to be used. You'll show up every day with a positive attitude, collectively helping your team reach its goals. You're going to deliver this great customer support, though, through email, addressing inquiries related to account management and financial transactions, expertly resolving any pick'em or draft related inquiries through precision and efficiency. So just answering those emails that come in. This is part-time. They're looking for somebody to be flexible, being able to work both weekday and weekends for up to 25 hours a week. Someone's optimistic, someone who can be a team player, great communication skills, and someone who can be a quick learner. Now, it does say they always prefer college education, and they prefer somebody who has some kind of sports betting knowledge, but it's not required. Pay for this position is anywhere from $18 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. Next up, if you are interested in the healthcare space, UnitedHealth Group used to be known as UnitedHealthcare. They are an insurance company. They're hiring a billing representative. Now, this is remote nationwide for the United States. UnitedHealthcare is not only known for giving you all the computer equipment you need to do the job, they also often give you high-speed internet access also. So the only location requirement they really have is that you have to live in a spot that can get access to their selected high-speed internet. They are specifically looking for someone for this billing job, though, to work Monday through Friday between 6 a.m. and 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But this is just a complete billing job. You're going to be responsible for achieving KPIs and metrics that are set by management. Your main position is going to be investigating and resolving those denied and short paid transactions or claims in a timely and effective manner. You'll manage the work queue to ensure all accounts are worked timely and appropriately, following the department policies and procedures. You're going to maneuver through various billing systems, communicating with business partners as needed. You might have to write off, appeal, transfer, review EOBs, things like that in the system. So this is mainly doctors, hospitals, things like that have sent claims to UnitedHealthcare, and UnitedHealthcare has denied them. You're going to get things like appeals from those doctors with medical records, trying to get that overturned. You might have to reprocess claims, get the EOBs updated, send them back out, things like that. They only require a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of experience in some kind of accounts receivable, billing, insurance collection. So they want 1 year in the healthcare industry. And they need somebody who can work with those Microsoft Office systems like Excel, Word, and Outlook. Pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but ranges anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $31.44 an hour. But next up, we have the company Staples. Now, Staples is hiring a COA order processor. Again, this is remote. This is going to require some phone work, though they're looking for the order processor to primarily focus on processing orders that are pre-configured or clean and routing them to the appropriate production facility. So this is going to require require you to answer phone calls and monitor the COA email queue. You're going to distribute the work queue to the appropriate team member and route the phone calls to the appropriate department as needed. You're going to have to entering multiple orders into the tracking system, and you'll have to be a multitasker handling different priorities like data entry, customer inquiries on the phone, and things like that. So you're basically answering phones, monitoring emails, taking all of those orders, entering them to the system, and dispatching those orders to the appropriate team where they need to go. They are paying $16 an hour for this position and offering a standard benefit package that includes 401k with a company match. And while they are not requiring any kind of a college degree, they do want somebody who has 2 to 4 years experience in customer service or some kind of office administrative role. Somebody who has the ability to have solid negotiation and relationship building skills. And of course, you got to have computer skills specifically with Microsoft Office. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, give this video a huge thumbs up, a like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.